The Android architectural components libraries help simplify things which might be challenging while developing for Android. There are different libraries included in the architectural components, but we are going to focus on the Lifecycle and Room library. In the previous applications we have developed, we simply had all the application logic in one class. You might not want to do that in a production application. You instead want to separate these functionalities in different classes. You sort of want to have an architecture where one class would handle the database reads and writes, another class will handle the application main logic such as calculations and operations, and another class to handle the UI logic such as displaying information on views. You can structure your application to have such architecture, but the Android architectural components would make this process easy. First class above, which would be an activity of fragment, I'll add a description of fragments in the supplementary materials. An activity is what will know or what will be notified when a user clicks the button, because the activity is what contains the UI elements. As soon as a button is clicked, instead of running the operation in the activity class, it will pass the information to another class called the ViewModel class. The ViewModel is responsible to hold the UI data needed for the activity. The ViewModel can then be communicating with a class called the repository. The repository is not really part of the architectural component. It's just advised as a best practice. Room will serve as our database